Good evening, UB-tubers, and in front of you is my Persian silk tree, and I cut it back not that long. Well, I cut the top off not that long ago, and as you can see, since I cut that top off, it went crazy. Now it's not been under light; it's just been the windowsill, and it's not warm in this room. By God, it's not. So I thought, oh, by God, I'm going to cut it all back. So I cut all that back. But I tried to leave like the triangular shape going so it gets narrower. So you have these a lot longer. And then as you go up, it gets shorter and shorter. And then you have the top. But we have a problem, UB-tubers. By God, kissing green fingers, what is the problem? Well, I'll tell you right now. This branch, yeah, it looks nice, but it doesn't. I don't like how that looks. And that is because this branch here, that's dead. That is not grown. I'm a gardener, so I got messy hands. I got back from work, so it's odd you. So what we're going to do with that? I'll tell you what we're going to do with that. We're going to get some wires, and we're going to go like that. And what that will do is it will take it away from that one right at the bottom. So it won't be right in view, it won't be right underneath it. And then that'll make that look in proportion with the whole tree. My God, because you think you're doing something like that. Oh, well, I'm going to have to put you on a tripod there to get that going. And we got the old trusty 2mm. I think that's all we're going to need, personally. But until we get you on the old tripod and I get wiring, we're not going to know for sure, are we? So let's do that right this second. I know what you're thinking. Yeah, that's a nice looking specimen, that is. Oh, it is, but we got works to be doings. Now, if I do it from that angle, hopefully you won't see my gut when I start wiring. Because all the ladies will be like, oh yeah, it's a nice gut, I want to see more. Just can't do that. Not in this video. So I'm just going to cut a bit of this wire off. Now we're going to be getting wiring. So we want that, like that basically. Now I've got a wire that I already had going, but that needs to go further down to get the bend. Can you see what I'm doing? Not particularly, because my hand's in the way. If we do that and zoom out a little, that's how I want it. Right, so you go like that. Right, so the trick is, let me sit down for this. That's killing my back. That'll bloody killing my back. Right, so we want it like that. I think, yeah, we want it about that. So, right, okay. Oh, is it enough, Gizzy? I don't know yet. I don't know. Yeah, I think that may just work. Pow! I think it may just work. I'll have to take you off the old turntable. So what are we looking like? Got that bottom one there. That's great. It's taken up all that. And then, there's nothing right below it, which is great. It's all going off in that direction, which is good. And possibly we may need to bend that, but possibly not. Possibly not. Yeah, that's just great, isn't it? Oh, you just pay me off, you do. So yeah, and that's yeah, she's girthed up well, and 4 years I've had her. She's doing well. She had a nice summer this year, Had a great summer. She's gonna have a nice winter as well, because it always just grows in the windowsill. But yeah, that's it. That is what we have cut. Not cut, wired. So that's it. That is what we got going on. That's my Persian silk tree. I've had it 2-3 years, I think. If you like it, you know what to do. And I'll see you next time. Ta-da for now. Kizzy Green Fingers.